Thank you again for joining this moment with me in the morning and wishing everybody a beautiful and lovely day. Until I see you next time, may your day be joyful, beautiful. Another quick flyby. Oh, I'm just so grateful to see the little bats and some birds this morning. And take care. That was a nice surprise to the end of this video. That little bat flying by. Birds are really starting to wake up and causing a little ruckus in the trees. It's fun to listen to them. Another one just flew by again, top of me. I have seen the bats at night, but I haven't really seen them early in the morning. So this is a lot of fun. Thank you for being here with me and joining the sunrise.